Hello beautiful people. Today I'm gonna be cooking as, wait a minute, what happened? What is the other two boxes? There's only one. They make a raffle, and whichever the raffle comes, the majority, they put it in this box. I do not know exactly what is in them. Cooking in the forest? Good luck? What the heck? Do you see that? Do you have any idea? Today I think it's 100 degrees in here. Do you know how long it will take me to go in the forest? You mean to say cooking in the forest like a camping style? That's gonna be a lot of job. I need to go in the forest and do it. And you know what? I don't want to get arrested by fire department. But that is not the point. Point is, because California right now, fires in everywhere, in the mountain, and somewhere is fire going on. It's a dry weather. How could I go in the forest and make a fire pit and make my video? No, that's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this forest style cooking in here, in outdoor. And my dog, meet my dog Baby. You know, I call my youngest son to join me in a camp. So when he come, he'd be able to help me with this. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, can you take my backpack off?
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to do here to make some sort of tent, okay? Mm-hmm. You know, this fly things that I'm talking about, it's not only in my backyard. In the forest, when you go, there's more flies than what you even think here in a residential. So you need to be prepared. And not only flies, there's other kind of bugs around. And also mosquito. We don't have a mosquito here, you know, especially I think California, most of the city, we don't have a mosquito. I think government taking care of it. But if you go to the forest, definitely there will be a mosquito. So you have to be prepared for that. Got some hot sauce. I'm gonna make fire. Do you see that? You know the most biggest part I forgot?
What?
I want to bring some tea or coffee because I'm feeling not sleepy right now. 45 minutes maybe gonna take. Good thing about this tripod, when the fire is high, pull this chain up so rabbit will not burn. In a camping, you don't have the privilege. So you need to learn how can you survive away from the town, away from the technology. So you will be yourself in the nature and a bond with the nature. And you feel that how beautiful it is, you know? That's all about it. So I'm gonna look like it's cooking, so you're gonna watch that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a little nap, okay?
All right.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so if I sleep, if you see any bear or anything, don't try to be hero. Maybe 20 minutes nap, okay? Hello? Hi. I was wondering that if I can borrow some coffee from you. I forgot to bring coffee. You know, I'm camping right over there, about maybe 20 miles away.
She's better than poison.
Oh, I see. You're probably looking for Wi-Fi. We're in a deep in the forest. But honestly, I have no idea where we are.
You don't know where you are.
Dad.
What happened?
The rabbit's done.
Rabbit?
Yeah.
What rabbit?
The one we were cooking.
Oh. I turned this other side. So let's cook other side. You see how the juice coming out. Pretty good. Tastes like a kind of chicken. The color is white, totally. From the red to white means it's done. Actually, it was not bad. It's a kind of luxury. Cooking in the woods, in the forest, not easy. There's a lot of preparation. You can go to the camping. First, you need to find out the location. And then you know the environment. Is it a mountain? It is a flat area? Is there a river? The weather? All you need to first find out what is it, and then you make your plan. Life is beautiful. There is no such a thing that life is bad. If there is no problem in your life, then it is not a life. You need to have a problem. And that's the way you learn how to solve the problem, so you can keep living one step forward. Life will be never come, just take it easy. If you have a dream, go for it. If you want to do something better in your life, then focus on it. Don't lose it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and subscribe. Appreciate it. All right. Good night, everybody, and thank you so much.